Well, Joe, what's happening in the workshop today?
Well, actually, I'm just getting ready to go into the house because I have some plumbing repair to do under the sink. And in that cabinet, it's so dark, I can't see what the heck I'm doing. And I had a small work light I tried hanging in there, but it couldn't point the light where I needed it, and I was always knocking it over.
Yeah, it's always in the way when you have a situation like that.
So I came up with the idea of using a flashlight, a small one like this, and strapping it right to the drill. And I'll show you, with this type of drill, which is a T-handle, you need to put one rubber band in the back of the handle and one in the front. Then you just take the flashlight and slip it under. This is a perfect size flashlight. You can get them a little bigger and actually a little smaller, but this one I found works best. So just use the rubber bands to hold it in place. You just want to keep it back far enough that it's not hitting the chuck, because if you have it up here, it'll rub on the chuck.
Now, couldn't you just maybe use duct tape to wrap around there?
Yeah, you could, but with duct tape, the flashlight's in one position, and it'd be hard to change it. With this, you'll notice, this flashlight, you can adjust the beam. Not only does it shine light exactly where you need it, but if you want, you can very easily adjust the flashlight to either side of the drill, because if you're holding it like this, you can move it out of the way.
Well, I could see where that would be handy, not only under a sink situation like you're about to work on, but even a closet or anywhere else that you would want to go instead of bringing out the work light. That's a great one, Joe.